Hello, beautiful people. Banff National Park, and this is episode 2, where I'm heading to the most talked about sunrise at Moraine Lake and starting way too early in the morning from Banff downtown via Rome Transit Pass. So sunrise almost हो गया है यहाँ पे साइड से the sun is coming up Rockies में और फिर यहाँ से it will light up that side of the mountain. Spectacular. And this is a beautiful Moraine Lake. Beautiful, beautiful morning here. Sunrise is the most talked about place of Moraine Lake, and you will see like a lot of people came here. They are standing that side to capture the sunrise. So if you're coming to capture sunrise or to see sunrise from Moraine Lake, and if you're coming via bus, so better to make sure that you do all your reservations prior, because it's a famous site, it gets crowded, so people generally book the tickets prior. It's a $10 one way for route 10, so 10 Canadian dollars. So better to book that thing before. I'm just looking at the views, it's so beautiful. So you have to book it prior because there is a line over there, and if you miss the 6:31 then you have to get on the 7:31. So again, like, it will take time. So yeah, come early, enjoy the views. It's beautiful and it's very cold at this point of time. It's October first week. Pretty damn cold because it's morning as well. I'll just walk along the shore and show you the views. It's crystal clear, beautiful here. So it will take some time for the sun to come up on that entire face of the mountain. Till that time, you can just wait here. This is the beautiful Moraine Lake. So like, you can just walk along the shore. That side is the shore if you want to. Again, but it's a beautiful place and a good morning. It's really cold here. My fingers are just freezing. Same as my nose. And then this is your lake shore. There is a defined trail on that side, right side, but you can walk along the debris also. It's beautiful here. It's a huge lake. So the trail that you can see here, that's the trail. It will walk. You can walk over there, and then you can cross that entire shore from one end to the other. So that's the lake. This is the trail. Beautiful. So walking along the trail, I came to this side. That's the maximum of the lake that you can see. Starts from here and goes up to the start point. At the very front, right, from somewhere there, the glacier water is coming into the lake and filling it up. I hope you can listen to the noise of the water. Oh, it's beautiful here. Again, like you can walk along that side of the trail. It's beautiful. The sun is there. Look at the rays. It's gorgeous. Look at the crevasses over there. I hope you can see that side. Look at the crevasse. Look at the snow that side. The big blocks along the valley. So how beautiful this is. So this is exactly the place from where the glacier water comes down and forms this lake. It's beautiful here. Look at these mountains, these glaciers in between. It's beautiful. A nice day. I highly recommend doing this trail walk along the shore. It's a little big, like if you don't have time you can't, but if you have some time, extra time with you, please do it. It's beautiful. What a day. So day is going really great. I came along this lake shore. This is the extreme end, like from all the corners. It's beautiful. This is the glacier water coming, that is filling up the lake. It's a nice day. A little cold because it's like too early in the morning, but it's beautiful. What a day. So most of the places here in Banff, if you want to explore, there's a bus to each one of them. You need not to take a car or something. There are ways, like you can come directly to Banff, like either via bus or train, and then from here you can take these local buses that will take you to all these places. They're pretty cheap in price, like some $2, $5, $10 one way. You can book them as well on the transit app. I can't talk, like my lips are getting frozen, but it's a nice way to explore Banff. It will become cheap for you if you come via buses. No fuel charges, no rental taxis, no tour charges. There are timings, half an hour, 15 minutes for every bus, and it's pretty convenient to explore. So yeah, I'll explore Banff for more days. So right now I'm in Moraine Lake. I have few more days in Banff. I'll be exploring around in the same bus route that is there, and then right now I'll go back to Banff because the bus that took me here, the route number 10, doesn't stop anywhere else. So we have to go back to Banff and then do something else for the rest of the day. Let's see what I'll choose to do today after Moraine Lake. So there's a lot of trails here along the Moraine. So if you'll see that side, this is again now, I recently found like a new trail. You can go all the way there. There are a couple of lakes there. So it will take a lot of time for you to explore the entire of this area. There are a couple of trails right now. Again, like I'm standing on top of a rocky cliff. It's again one of the trail that comes from all the way from the parking. So you'll find these trails with that side of the area, right? That's a bear prone area, so you need to like go in groups. Like I'm solo, I can't go. But that side, if you see, there are a couple of lakes more. So this is the stop, and there is the scheduled departure and arrivals for this bus. It's an amazing bus, but make sure to know the timings beforehand. So you have to make a queue. You can make prior reservations or you can buy the ticket here. I recommend making prior reservations because like this route of Louise Lake and Moraine Lake is like pretty crowded, so better to do a pre-booking. You can just go from one destination to another here without even getting down off the bus. It's that beautiful here. So that's it from this episode. Hope you liked it, and for any queries, comment down below. Now I'll just chill at downtown now as it was an early day. So let's catch up in the next episode. Till then, take care. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See ya.